Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com.
Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to replace a control board on a Frigidaire dishwasher. Tools needed for this repair is just a number 2 Phillips. First thing we're going to do is open the dishwasher up and remove the 4 Phillips head screws to access the front panel. Okay, we're going to remove the 4 Phillips head screws. Okay, with the screws removed, I'm going to pull down and remove the front panel. Kind of open it up and finish taking the rest of the Phillips screws out so I can have access to the control board. And I can drop the panel down. And now I have access to the control board. Remove this. I remove the cover. There's 2 screws. And now I have access to the control board. I'm going to remove all the connectors on the board. And I'm going to unscrew the board from the panel. And remove the board. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I put the gasket back on because they don't give you a new one when you buy the board, so you got to reuse it. Then I'm going to reinstall all the wires. and then the cover panel. Then I'm going to rotate the panel back up. And reinstall the panel screws. And I'm going to put the front panel back on. Okay, and that completes the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.